Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll dive into a brief introduction to requirements engineering. Let's start by decoding the terms involved. We have two key terms, requirements and engineering. Birgit Penzenstadler, an associate professor of software engineering at Chalmers University of Technology, provides a brief and yet concise explanation of these terms in her YouTube video. Generally, requirements are what people want, what they wish, which they might not even be aware of, what they actually need, even when they don't know it themselves. Imagine a company that wants an online ordering system. The request seems straightforward, but often it's more complex than it appears. For instance, stakeholders may want a secure online ordering system, but they might not be aware that to achieve this, they need to implement at least a user authentication system. Another example, they might want a simple data analytics platform, yet a deeper analysis of the business processes might reveal the need for something more advanced. Requirements also encompass various constraints. These might include technical constraints imposed by the development tools and software, which are often restricted by corporate policies or licensing issues. Other constraints arise from the need to integrate with existing software systems, like a new payroll system that must be integrated with the current HR and accounting software. This integration can pose challenges related to data formats, interoperability, and communication protocols. Additionally, there are operational constraints concerning the environment where your system will ultimately run, such as specific cloud connectivity requirements. Now, onto the engineering aspect. We can define engineering as the application of a systematic approach. Specifically, in requirements engineering, this means adhering to best practices, following guidelines, and applying proven frameworks and rules. Essentially, requirements engineering is the structured method of identifying, documenting, and managing the needs and constraints of stakeholders during software development. So, in short, requirements engineering is about developing requirements, and there are a number of techniques we can use to do that. First, we have natural language requirements, which are straightforward written descriptions expressing stakeholders' needs in everyday language. We can also use something more structured, known as model-based requirements. These include diagrams, mathematical formulas, or even code snippets that serve as early prototypes. You might be familiar with some of these diagrams, such as those used in UML, Unified Modeling Language. As the formulas, they provide a mathematical representation, which is much more precise. While it is important for you to learn how to develop requirements, there is one most important aspect of requirements engineering: communication. A requirements engineer acts as a communication gateway for stakeholders. You must bridge the gap between stakeholders and the technical team, translating technical jargon to non-technical language and vice versa. Your role involves speaking both languages of the stakeholders and the engineers. As you can see, requirements engineering is not just about gathering requirements. It's about deeply understanding them, communicating effectively, and using tools to translate needs into actionable software solutions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Feel free to drop your questions or share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, goodbye.